Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: 15 things to do if you suddenly become rich. Whether it's through inheritance, winning the lottery, or any other means, getting a large influx of wealth can be life-changing. However, it's important to have a plan in place to ensure that this newfound wealth becomes a blessing rather than a curse. So, let's dive into the 15 things you should consider doing if you find yourself in this fortunate position. 1. Do not let anyone know. The first priority is to keep your sudden wealth private. It can be tempting to share the news with everyone, but it's crucial to resist that urge. Shouting it from the rooftops or flaunting your wealth can lead to unnecessary attention and potential problems. So, for now, keep it to yourself and wait for the right time to share the news. Remember, not everyone will have your best interests at heart once they know about your newfound wealth. Some may see you as an opportunity to fulfill their own desires or financial needs. By keeping your wealth private, you can protect yourself from potential scams, manipulations, or even the strain it may put on your relationships. It's important to maintain a sense of privacy and carefully consider who you trust with this sensitive information. So, be patient and choose the right moment to disclose your financial success. 2. Pay off your debt. Once you've received the money, focus on paying off your existing debt. Clearing your debts will relieve a significant financial burden and provide you with a fresh start. It's essential to get rid of any financial obligations that might hinder your ability to manage your newfound wealth responsibly. Debt can weigh you down and limit your financial freedom. By paying off your debts, you'll free up more income to invest, save, and enjoy the benefits of your newfound wealth. It's a proactive step towards financial stability and allows you to start on a clean slate. Take the time to assess all your debts, create a repayment plan, and allocate a portion of your wealth towards clearing them. Remember, by eliminating debt, you're taking control of your financial future and setting yourself up for long-term success. So, prioritize debt repayment and pave the way for a more secure and prosperous future. 3. Don't quit your job yet. Resist the temptation to quit your job immediately. While it might be tempting to walk away from work, it's crucial to maintain a sense of purpose and productivity. Quitting your job right away can lead to impulsive decisions and potential financial instability in the long run. Take your time to evaluate your options and plan your future steps carefully. Your job provides not only a source of income, but also routine, social connections, and a sense of fulfillment. Suddenly quitting may leave you feeling adrift and lacking direction. Instead, consider how your newfound wealth can enhance your life while maintaining the stability and structure that your job provides. Use this time to explore new opportunities, invest in your personal growth, and create a plan for long-term financial independence. By carefully considering your options and making informed decisions, you can strike a balance between enjoying your wealth and maintaining a fulfilling work-life balance. So, hold off on quitting your job for now and explore all the possibilities that lie ahead. 4. Secure the money. After paying off your debts, it's wise to let the money sit in your account for a while. Take some time to adjust to your new financial situation and avoid impulsive spending. This period of reflection will help you make more informed decisions about how to manage and invest your money effectively. The sudden influx of wealth can be overwhelming, and it's crucial to resist the urge to splurge immediately. Instead, give yourself the opportunity to process this financial change and assess your priorities. Take a step back and evaluate your long-term goals, both personally and financially. By letting the money sit in your account for a while, you'll have the chance to educate yourself about different investment options, seek professional advice, and create a solid financial plan. Remember, wealth is a journey, not a sprint. So take the time to secure your money and make thoughtful choices that align with your aspirations for the future. 5. Invest in yourself. Acquiring wealth doesn't automatically make you a financial expert. Take this opportunity to educate yourself about managing money, investing wisely, and building wealth in the long term. Start by reading books like Money Master the Game by Tony Robbins or Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki to gain valuable financial knowledge. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing your newfound wealth. By investing in your financial education, you'll gain the tools and understanding necessary to make informed decisions about your money. These books, along with other resources, can provide valuable insights into wealth creation, investment strategies, and the mindset required for financial success. Additionally, consider attending seminars, workshops, or seeking the guidance of financial advisors who can provide personalized advice based on your specific circumstances. Remember, the more you learn about money management, the better equipped you'll be to make smart choices and build a lasting financial legacy. So, make yourself a priority and embark on a journey of self-empowerment through financial education. 6. Stick with your financial advisor. If you inherited the money from a rich relative, it's likely they had a trusted financial advisor. Stick with the same financial advisor if they have a proven track record and understand your financial goals. Avoid the mistake of switching advisors without careful consideration, as it may lead to questionable financial decisions. Your relative's financial advisor has likely played a significant role in their success and preserving their wealth. They possess the knowledge, expertise, and understanding of your family's financial situation. By continuing to work with the same advisor, you can benefit from their insights and guidance, ensuring a seamless transition of your newfound wealth. However, it's important to establish a relationship with the advisor and understand their approach to managing your assets. Openly communicate your goals, risk tolerance, and any specific concerns you may have. By maintaining a strong partnership with your financial advisor, you can make well-informed decisions and navigate the complexities of managing significant wealth. Remember, a trusted financial advisor is a valuable asset on your journey to long-term financial success. 7. Live comfortably, not extravagantly. It's essential to find a balance between comfort and extravagance. While you might be tempted to buy expensive houses and cars, remember that they come with long-term costs and maintenance. Instead, focus on improving your quality of life without going overboard. Invest in experiences and things that bring genuine joy and avoid excessive, unnecessary spending. It's natural to want to indulge in luxuries when you suddenly come into wealth. However, it's important to resist the urge to overspend and consider the long-term implications of extravagant purchases. Expensive houses often come with high property taxes, maintenance costs, and additional financial responsibilities. Similarly, luxury cars can quickly depreciate in value and incur substantial expenses for maintenance and insurance. Instead, focus on using your wealth to enhance your quality of life in meaningful ways. Invest in experiences that create lasting memories, support causes that are close to your heart, and prioritize financial security and peace of mind. By living comfortably within your means, you can enjoy the benefits of your wealth while maintaining long-term financial stability. 8. Be cautious about lending money to friends. Be cautious when it comes to lending money to friends or investing in their businesses. Money can strain relationships, and it's important to set boundaries. You don't want to jeopardize your financial stability or harm your relationships by giving out loans that may never be repaid. Be mindful and make decisions based on careful consideration rather than emotions. While it's natural for friends to approach you for financial assistance once they know about your newfound wealth, it's crucial to proceed with caution. Lending money to friends can create imbalances in the relationship and lead to complications down the line. Set clear boundaries and avoid putting your financial security at risk. Instead, consider other ways to support your friends, such as offering advice, guidance, or connecting them with resources that can help them on their entrepreneurial journey. Remember, maintaining healthy relationships is crucial, and preserving your financial stability should be a priority. So, make thoughtful decisions about lending money and protect both your wealth and your relationships in the process. 9. Delay starting a business. Avoid the urge to start a business immediately. Starting a successful business requires careful planning, experience, and expertise. While it may seem enticing, rushing into entrepreneurship without the necessary knowledge and skills can lead to financial setbacks. Take your time to evaluate potential business ideas and consult with professionals before making any significant investments. While the idea of being your own boss and pursuing entrepreneurial endeavors may be tempting, it's crucial to approach it with caution. Building a successful business takes time, dedication, and a deep understanding of the industry. Instead of diving headfirst into a venture, take the time to research and gain the necessary skills and knowledge. Consult with experienced professionals, seek mentorship, and consider starting small to test the waters. This approach allows you to learn from the experiences of others and make informed decisions about business opportunities. Remember, patience and careful planning are key when it comes to launching a successful business venture. So, delay the impulse to start a business immediately and focus on building a solid foundation for long-term entrepreneurial success. 10. Prepare for change. Be prepared for significant changes that come with newfound wealth. Money can attract attention, lawsuits, and scams. Stay vigilant and take steps to protect your assets and yourself from potential risks. Seek legal and financial advice to ensure your wealth is properly managed and safeguarded. With wealth comes added responsibility and potential risks. It's crucial to be aware of the attention and scrutiny that can come with having substantial assets. Unfortunately, some individuals may see your wealth as an opportunity to exploit or take advantage of you. Protecting your assets and yourself requires careful planning and professional guidance. Seek the expertise of legal and financial professionals to establish trusts, secure your investments, and develop a comprehensive wealth management strategy. By proactively taking these measures, you can mitigate risks, safeguard your assets, and maintain your financial well-being. Remember, preparation is key in navigating the complexities that come with newfound wealth. So, be proactive, stay informed, and prioritize protecting what you've worked hard to acquire. 11. Prioritize your health. Invest in your health. With wealth comes the opportunity to prioritize your well-being. Get regular checkups, adopt healthier habits, and focus on maintaining good physical and mental health. After all, wealth is only truly valuable when you can enjoy it in good health. Your newfound wealth provides you with the means to take care of yourself in ways you may not have been able to before. Use this opportunity to prioritize your health and well-being. Schedule regular medical checkups, consult with specialists, and adopt healthy lifestyle habits. Engage in physical activity, eat nutritious meals, and take time for self-care and stress management. Remember, your wealth should enhance your quality of life, and good health is a fundamental aspect of that. By investing in your health, you can enjoy the benefits of your wealth for years to come and lead a fulfilling, balanced life. So, make your well-being a priority and reap the rewards of a healthy and prosperous future. 12. Follow the 5% rule. Familiarize yourself with the 5% rule. By investing wisely and living off the returns generated by your investments, you can maintain your wealth in the long run. Avoid overspending and live within your means, adhering to the 5% rule to ensure your money lasts for generations to come. The 5% rule is a fundamental principle to preserve and grow your wealth. It suggests that you should aim to spend no more than 5% of your total wealth annually, allowing the remaining 95% to continue generating returns. This approach ensures that your wealth remains intact and can provide for you and future generations. By living within this framework, you can strike a balance between enjoying the benefits of your wealth and maintaining its longevity. It requires disciplined spending, thoughtful budgeting, and strategic investment decisions. Remember, wealth is not just about accumulating assets, but also about sustaining and growing them over time. So, embrace the 5% rule as a guiding principle and secure a prosperous financial future. 13. Protect your children. Take steps to protect your children's future. Establishing trust funds or other mechanisms can provide them with financial security while ensuring the preservation of your wealth. Seek professional advice to set up the most suitable arrangements for your family's needs. Your newfound wealth presents an opportunity to create a lasting legacy for your children. By establishing trust funds or other financial vehicles, you can ensure that your children are financially secure and well cared for. These mechanisms can provide them with an allowance or financial support without jeopardizing the core investment. Professional advisors can guide you through the process of setting up these structures, ensuring that they align with your family's values and long-term goals. Protecting your children's financial future not only provides them with stability but also instills important values of responsibility and financial management. So, take the necessary steps to safeguard your children's financial well-being and establish a legacy that can positively impact future generations. 14. Remain faithful to your partner. Remain faithful to your partner. Sudden wealth can put strains on relationships, and it's important to prioritize open communication and trust. Be aware of potential temptations that may arise and remember the consequences of infidelity can be devastating both emotionally and financially. With sudden wealth comes an array of new experiences and opportunities, which may include temptations that can test the strength of your relationship. It's crucial to remain committed and faithful to your partner, nurturing the trust and bond you've built together. Open and honest communication is key to navigating the challenges that wealth may bring. Discuss your hopes, concerns, and aspirations with your partner, ensuring that both of you are aligned in your values and goals. Remember, the consequences of infidelity can extend beyond emotional turmoil, potentially resulting in costly divorces and legal battles that could impact your financial well-being. So, stay true to your partner. Prioritize your relationship, and protect the love and stability that you have built together. 15. Play it safe. Above all, play it safe. Resist the temptation to take unnecessary risks with your wealth. Avoid shady investments or get-rich-quick schemes. Focus on making smart and informed financial decisions that align with your long-term goals. While it can be tempting to seek out high-risk, high-reward opportunities, it's crucial to maintain a cautious approach to your investments. Protecting and growing your wealth requires careful consideration and strategic planning. Avoid falling for the allure of quick gains or investment fads that promise overnight success. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio, consulting with trusted financial advisors, and conducting thorough research before making any investment decisions. Remember, wealth accumulation is a long-term journey, and steady, calculated steps will lead to sustained prosperity. By playing it safe and making informed choices, you can safeguard your wealth and create a solid foundation for financial security and growth. And there you have it, 15 essential things to do if you suddenly become rich. Remember, with great wealth comes great responsibility. Take the time to plan, educate yourself, and make thoughtful choices that will ensure your wealth lasts for generations to come. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to embrace the concept of balance in your journey toward financial success. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.